Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you my eggy bread recipe that you can easily make for your breakfast tables. It's a very similar recipe to French toast. So let's start. I take 4 eggs into the mixing bowl. Let's add half a teaspoon of each of salt, black pepper and chili pepper. Let's mix it well with the whisk. Then I take a cup of milk in a separate bowl and I add a tablespoon of flour on it. The reason we add flour is so that our eggy breads do not absorb too much oil in the frying phase. Let's mix the flour with milk and then add it over the scrambled egg. When you add the flour directly to the egg, it becomes lumpy. That's why I add it by mixing it with the milk. There is no lumping this way. Let's mix it well again. And we have one bread. You can use your stale bread this way. Or you can use fresh bread if you want. Firstly, I sliced one stale bread, but it wasn't enough, so I used a total of 1.5 stale breads. Let's slice it thinly at about the thickness of a finger. And let's get a lot of oil in the pan and fry it. We are gonna put the sliced breads into the egg mixture. Let's dip them in the egg mixture by turning both sides. Then we are gonna put them in the hot oil. Our oil must be hot so that the breads do not absorb too much oil. Let's fry both sides, turning around until they are browned. And then take our fried eggy breads into the plate on a napkin or a paper towel. You can serve it hot. See, as you can see, it didn't absorb too much oil. It was very good and very tasty. I hope you guys will try and like it too. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.